Hello everyone. This webpage is my grade report webpage made using HTML. It starts with doctype HTML to tell the browser it's an HTML page and HTML language sets the language in English. The head section added meta character set and meta name viewport content. So Meta character set all characters and emojis can be displayed properly in mobile devices and other devices. Meta name viewport content it makes a website looking good in mobile devices and other devices like tab and title. Title is the main heading and logo that shows the page name on the browser tab and header. I created navigation bar using the I created navigation bar using the nav tag with an unordered list UL and list items. Each anchor tag links to different pages like home, profile, course, grade, feedback, contact, etc. Each with an emoji. Emoji makes it looking good. Inside the body, I used an H1. H1 means the main heading that says my grades. You can see this is my main heading, and then I created a table using the table table tag with borders, cell spacing and padding to make it look neat and good. Then caption. Caption shows semester 1 grade report, the heading of my table. You can see this is my heading of my table, and then I use the T head tag part has column names, course name, grade, and credits. Using the table tag, the T-body tag parts list all the subject with their grades and credits. The T-foot the T-foot tag section at the bottom shows to the credits, total credits. You can see. After that table, I added a note using paragraph. I add a paragraph of note and I make a bold note in bold like this, and I use label and input type text box for the parent signature with a placeholder sign here. It is the placeholder sign here and made it required. Finally, I added date using a paragraph tag. Overall, this page displays the student's grade in a clean table, has a navigation link to the other page like this, you can see, and includes a space for a parent signature or date, just like a real digital grade report. Thank you.